Hey, good morning, Bob. Took a quick little sell right here, right at the open. Absolutely perfect. And NASDAQ just went to the moon. I think next time I'm gonna enter next time I get a sell like this, once TP's hit, I'm gonna be entering the buy. Probably a smart thing to do. What the US30 do? And look at this nice little resistance point. Will we see US30 drop? There's some slight bearish divergence. Is this do we got a W? Let's see. We might have a W. It's not might, we definitely have a W. But the move already happened. But does it go for the next zone up here? Yep, good morning, Masharian. Took an easy sell when I was not on stream. Does US30, and that would be a pretty fat trade too. But it's Friday, is there enough momentum today? Well, NASDAQ might be running up to 1578. And I think NASDAQ's a buy. To the next zone, 1578. 1578. I think NASDAQ, 1578 looks like a good zone. About 300 pips. Let's see, US30's moved 3,000 pips in the last 2 hours. Pretty big move. I need to win this trade so I can officially get this new account back to break even. I'm minus 80 on this account since depositing 2,500. And there might be just enough momentum just to get out there. And where's the next zone? The next zone would be 15,130. Trying to see where I'd get out of this trade if it went the other way right away. I'd probably be comfortable losing 50 on this trade. Probably not much more than that. Just need 200 more pips. It's been in Bitcoin. So I took 15,000 off INGAP and kept it in my Bitcoin. When I withdrew, Bitcoin was like 38,000. So I've gotten a nice like 15% increase on that withdrawal or something like that. So I probably gained actually like 2,000 just letting it sit. We get a red candle now. Okay, that's a little tiny Kangaroo Tail. I would hate to see a retest on this zone 1530. If it retests 1530, then I'm not going to be too confident about the trade. Just like that. Yeah, no, that's not what I wanted to see here. No, I'm just keeping it in Bitcoin right now. So I gained like 15% on my withdrawal on there. Can this candle just shoot up and engulf that? Or did I sell at the fucking top? Time will decide. I mean, I hope I didn't buy at the top. See Bitcoin knocking on the door of 48K. We're going up for the third retest on Bitcoin to break 48K. Yeah. It's been a tough fucking hold on Bitcoin. I think this time Bitcoin is priming to be above 50K this weekend. Oh shit, just as we draw it up, it might break it right now. Let's see, the high is actually right there, okay. 48, okay, 48,000 is exact resistance. Alright, NASDAQ, make a new high. NASDAQ makes a new high. I think we're hitting TP easily. Come on, new high. Send this account back to break even. Uh-oh, my shit froze. Come on, make a new high. Make a new high. Come on. US30 trying to break still. 35. I think US30 is a buy if it breaks right here. Yes, we just made a new high on NASDAQ. New high. Hold on, trade. Do a break even. I mean, I don't want to see a Kangaroo Tail right now. It's that break even, and if it retests 1533, it might have a better chance at a better entry. I think that makes sense. Yeah, I'm gonna set this break even. If it comes back down to 1533, that'll be a better re-entry attempt. $15.33. Not the candle we wanted to see after barely just making a new high. Buy US30. I don't want to buy US30, but I'm already going to buy on NASDAQ, so would it make sense for me to buy on US30? I'm break even on this at least. Our first markup was that US30 would probably retest here. But it's Friday. Do we care if it's Friday or not? Two. Nah, I'm not gonna. We'll just stick it on, leave it on NASDAQ, see what happens. No need to enter that trade yet. We need to make a new high. Yes, we just made a new high. Feeling good now. We're gonna hit TP. TP will be hit. 1578, baby. 1578, baby. We need about 140 pips. 140 pips. $15.78. You know what? I'll just close it. I'll just close that one. Like 2 nice scalps today. Custom period. I want to look at that graph for this week. File, save as detailed report. 8/20/21. Probably should have just held that, but whatever. 10 trades taken on N1CM this week. 60% win rate. How many pips did I get? Welcome to the most transparent stream you'll ever see. Kangaroo Tail. Bearish Kangaroo Tail alert. There's bearish divergence also. I mean, maybe a TP could be 1533. 1533. It could be a sell here, guys. Could. I don't know if I want to, I don't particularly want to sell right now. Because it didn't quite hit that zone. Which tells me it might go up. Yeah, N1CM is going to be my #1 broker. They don't take any markup. This broker does not take any markup from their liquidity. They got the lowest fucking spread anywhere in the world for MetaTrader 4. Anywhere. I'll show you guys, let me bring, I'm going to pull up Osprey. Osprey Market Watch, okay? We're going to put them side by side. On the left right here, we got N1CM, okay? Now, let me pull up Osprey. Osprey is going to be on the right. Alright, let me line this up. 1 second. Alright, Osprey Market Watch. OddCAD. Alright, so N1CM spreads on the left. Osprey FX spreads on the right. If we look, let's start with the... We'll start with NASDAQ, okay? NASDAQ has about the same spread as or Osprey has the same NASDAQ spread as N1CM. We already know the situation with US30. It just needs a decimal. But here we go. Okay, OddCAD. Osprey, we got 1.6 pips. N1CM 8. OddChef 15. Not even 1 pip, okay? You can just look at these columns, and every single Forex pair will beat the most popular brokers. Look at this USD-JPY spread. Come on, 0.2 pips. 0.2 pips Euro JPY. Fucking insane. Every one of you should make an account on N1CM. The best and lowest spread anywhere. Anywhere. I don't know how I found this broker, but I did. Yeah, NGOT still works for Canadians. We had a bunch of people from the UK sign up, but even a lot of the international people are moving on from NGOT. Yeah, Miles, you said careful counter trending. That's exactly. I think I leveled up my trading because usually, I would 3 or 4 months ago, maybe even 2 months ago, I was taking these sells. I was trying to find the top, and I would always be bitching about why am I always trying to find the tops? Blah blah blah. Trend is your friend, right? $15,150. Yep, I got that zone up there. What's up, Eunice MTQ? It's almost tempting to buy right now, too. Keyword is almost. I don't think I'd want to buy until I see this zone bust. For some reason, my RooCalc was taken off. Wait, not the calc. And max bar is 5. Left. There we go. How did that even get removed? I think Nasdaq's going to come down on this area here. There's bearish divergence though, okay. That volume shifted so fast. Might be an interesting sell. Could have a stop above this zone. TP down here. I'm liking that bearish divergence. Alright, I'm gonna go for it. I'm selling because bearish divergence plus resistance. So 2. I gotta see if N1CM lets you trade Bitcoin on the weekends. Because if they do, I wouldn't mind letting a buy run. Contract size is 1, so you could do like 1 mini lot maybe. But you need a lot of margin. That's pretty big bearish divergence. So it would not be unheard of to see a small little drop. Or we've hit consolidation phase too. My exit point will probably be about $50 on here. I don't want to lose any more than 50. Looks like we got some double posts. Oh. $50 is my drawdown limit. Bearish divergence. Big divergence too. And it's just getting bigger and bigger. 78. See if there's 5-minute divergence. US30 having trouble breaking there. So US30 made new highs, came back, retested that zone. Will there be a retest down? US30 on the daily. Well, daily bullish Kangaroo Tail. Where did I say US30 might go? I had a zone. What was it? Wait, on the arrow, yeah. Right here. I think US30 is going to shoot up here today. I don't think it's going to wait for Monday. It's going to shoot up. I've seen that guy's, I've seen Wick Don't Lie's YouTube channel a few times. He trades live every day, right? Well, I mean, I think we buy US30 and write it up. I mean, I haven't even checked any news today, so I have no idea what's going on. I don't know if there's earnings, but I mean, US30 just looks like a clear buy. Oh, I got you. He's so he only is an expert in gold and GJ. Smashing every zone. Like 15,134. Yeah, up on this zone. Actually, make that. Yeah, around 15,130, 15,140. And it may just do that. I mean, we might just smash that next zone. Just gotta think, what are most traders thinking if they see 3 bullish candles? There's a lot of people gonna probably dump in some buys. But how are the hedge funds gonna react to that? Yeah, what's up, Huey? Well, we're deciding whether or not to enter another NASDAQ buy. Just let it ride. Would it be wise for me to just jump in a NASDAQ buy now? Maybe. But this divergence just keeps knocking on the door. Knocking on the door, we're slowing down. Alright, I'm gonna put the buy in on a random smaller account I had. I'm in. Yeah, just topped in. I only got like 700 bucks on that account, just a random account. I think I'll do that more too. On a smaller account, just enter a trade and let it run, just so you don't like miss out. Basically, a small account you don't give a fuck about. Alright, it is time to check out some news. I still gotta verify my account. You think? Well, we're gonna get to the bottom of that right now, EKZ. We are gonna look. Authorization allows you access to the trade account. No, I think I need to make a demo account. File. How do I make a demo account? We're gonna find out right now. Log into trade account. And go trade demo. I don't think there would be any way. Let me see. My spreadsheet is going to be Osprey, Anko, and N1CM. Could have a spreadsheet. I think that bearish divergence is finally going to kick in. Well, TechLang, I have an example. You know, my strategy is Kangaroo Tails, but lately, I've just been entering trades, kind of like adding. Oh shit, this divergence is gonna drop. I fucking knew it was gonna drop. That was my first instinct. I'm gonna close out the other trade because we're going down. This trade needed a no stop loss. It's always the first instinct that works. Now, my prediction is we're going to 1533, which was my original analysis. 1533. TechLang, you can't go further than $20 to $30 or 20 to 30 minutes. You know, that's probably going to be my last trade of the day. I'm not going to try to fucking chase NASDAQ. I don't know, the easiest way to start is just walking away, entering the trade. You have a TP and stop loss. Fucking turn your charts off and check it in an hour. That would be step one. Alright, I'm gonna log into a Hanko Trade new account. We're gonna compare the spreads. Okay, it's trying to log in, so what the hell is it doing? Yo, why is Hanko Trade fucking broken? Yo, Hanko Trade is so fucking buggy. Hilarious. Like, it shouldn't be that fucking hard just to be able to log into a trading account. Like, come on. Yo, what the fuck is up with Hanko Trade? Like, I'm logged in and nothing shows up. And there's only 3 pairs? Like, what the fuck? Yeah, Hanko Trade's a fucking joke. Can't you log in? I'll just use the web portal. That's what I'll do. Log into the web portal. That should work. Log in. There we go. Alright, finally worked. Finally worked. I'm gonna try to bring the market watch up. I want to compare it. Nasdaq's all over the place. There we go, show all. Oh my god. Oh, these spreads on Hanko Trade are so big for Forex. Odd cat, odd chef. Add chef, for example. Oh my god, yeah, I'm gonna fucking crush. We're gonna do the ultimate broker review this weekend. Hanko Trade's taking a huge markup. No wonder they can afford to offer people like me money monthly just to promote them. But I won't do it! I will not do it. I will not promote a broker for a set monthly salary. I will not. I will only promote what I think is the best option. If a broker is going to pay a YouTuber monthly, they better be something special. Not just because of the money, but they better be special. Let me know, guys, what other broker, when I do my spreadsheet, what other broker should I do? So we're going to do, here's the list. We're going to type it up right now in the chat. N1CM, Osprey, Hanko Trade, Mega Hughes Way. 1, 2. I need to review more. 4 brokers isn't enough. We need to look at more brokers. Maybe 10. Maybe 10 different brokers. And just comparing the spreads of everything. ATC. Yeah, I've heard of them a lot. ATC brokers. I think I may have actually made an account with them. Can't remember. Oh yeah, FX Choice is a good one. Forgot about that one. Eagle FX. I know Eagle FX is pretty cool. You can play poker on Eagle FX. Do we got a M? I just see. Probably a trend, no. Higher highs. You're on 1 mini lot right now, Masharian? Is that what you're saying? 0.1? Yeah, I got this markup, but I don't think I have it in me to put the sell in. We talked about trying to find the tops. It's probably only wise to enter the sell when we distinctively know the trend has shifted. Right now, the trend has not shifted. I mean, it's consolidated a little bit, but it hasn't shifted. Hey, good morning, Joe Weaver. Yeah, making 1 to make 3. And since I wasn't really trading with stop losses this week, I don't really know what my risk reward is. That's one bad thing about not having a stop loss. You don't have your exact risk reward ratio. You have an idea where you're going to close the trade though if it goes in drawdown. Yeah, I say if it makes a new higher, if it makes a new high, then this M is not valid anymore, I don't think. Talking about consistency, we know. Let's next week. Let's try this. When we see Nasdaq shoot up at the open and then develop bearish divergence, obviously we sell. Our TP will be at the open, but as soon as our TP gets smashed, let's try entering a buy immediately and seeing if we can catch the runaway move like this. Nasdaq is starting to become more predictable. And something like this, I mean, we'd obviously get out of the trade if prices started making new lows. But let's try to catch a move like this, where we enter the sell, smash our TP, enter the buy, smash our TP. That's my goal next week. We gotta give this trade a name though. Call it the Evil Knievel setup. Why the Evil Knievel setup? Because you gotta hit this perfectly. If you don't hit your jump perfectly, you're dead, right? So we're gonna try to do the Evil Knievel trade setup next week. Sell TP, buy TP. Damn, Sharon. Speaking of 1 hour challenge, I didn't even attempt it this week. Oil spreads. You know, I want to check out these other indices on 1CMAs real quick. Spain 35, I've never heard of that one. Spain 35. What is Spain 35? Well, Spain 35 has some insane spreads for an index I've never heard of in my life. Spain 35, huh? And then you got HSI 50. HSI 50. Never heard of it. No, I know what Spain is. Talking about. I didn't know Spain had an index. Alright, I'm pulling up oil, US oil. Let me know how the spread is on oil. I don't trade oil, so I have no idea if this is a good spread or not. I'm trying to pull up Osprey. I mean, they told me, live support told me they don't take any markups on the spread. Let me see. Wait, where am I at? Okay, that's Osprey. I want to check Osprey oil. US oil. Holy fuck. Osprey oil is, I don't know if that's, is that 9 pips or 0.9 pips? Either way, this number is 9 and N1CM is 2. So I don't know if that means 9 pips, 90 pips, or 0.9 pips. Yeah, so this oil spread on N1CM is 5 times smaller than Osprey. No, 4 times. Yep. Forex Factory has some spreadsheets. Yeah, I think I might play Call of Duty for the next hour actually on stream, Ganja. That bullfrog spread, yo. I mean, I just said bullfrog spread. I'm thinking about spreads on a fucking Warzone gun. What the hell? Yeah. Yeah, that'll be the cherry on the top, Swag Emperor. Don't know what I'm thinking there. Damn. Trading does something to your thinking, I swear. Yeah. Shit. I went to my friend's stream yesterday, Ganja, last night. Started crying about the Corona Zen again. Don't grown ass men have anything better to do than fucking bitch and cry every time they see somebody on a stream? A lot of people on Twitch act like they're in high school. Oh, he said that, he hurt my feelings. Right, you're right, Fuse. Ganja is gonna come out with a video course for $499. How to professionally troll. Yep. Acting like 12-year-olds, exactly. There's people I don't like on Twitch, but I don't think about them constantly if I see them. Like, if I see them, I don't even talk to them or anything. Like, shit, just move on. Alright, let's see if this M actually drops. Yep, guys, I think it's time to load up the Roo script. It's funny, you can program a video game controller just like you can basically code an indicator. It's so funny how controller macros have like the same scripting language as an indicator, basically. It's pretty interesting shit. Fusion markets? Are they pretty big in Canada? Alright guys, I think I'm gonna restart my stream and play some Call of Duty for about an hour. We'll still monitor the charts. Yep. I think it's like Python or something. Python language. I think that's what it is. Alright, I shall be back. Come hang out again. Stream will be back on probably like 5 minutes. I just gotta reset. I actually gotta just reset my computer. But if you don't see me later, get back this Monday. We're gonna do the Evil Knievel setup. That's a prediction. That is my one goal for the week. Come up with the goal, and we gotta complete that shit. So y'all, if you don't see me, have a good rest of the weekend. Get back to this on Monday. Let's own some kids on Call of Duty right now.